his book Euthyphro, Plato recounts a dialogue between Socrates and Euthyphro, in which Socrates poses the question, is it good because the gods command it, or do the gods command it because it's good? He's talking about moral behavior here, essentially, and this question has become known as the Euthyphro Dilemma. It's been a problem for philosophers for thousands of years, and it's an even bigger problem if you're a divine command theorist. Is it good because God commands it, or does God command it because it's good? There's seemingly one of two answers here, but either one you choose poses some pretty serious problems. Let's take a look at the first part. Is it good because God commands it? If we choose this as our answer, we come up with three pretty serious consequences. The first is that the origin of morality is mysterious. We can't know God's mind. What does it mean to say that God makes something right or wrong? We don't know this. It's beyond our comprehension as human beings, and so we'll never be able to truly rationalize or break through that origin of morality. If we decide that the second answer is a better answer, that God commands it because it's good, we have one serious problem that comes from this. It makes morality independent of God. There's something bigger or more prime or more powerful that says what is right or wrong, and God is just a middleman relaying that information. If we're divine command theorists, this is counter to what we believe, because we believe that God gives moral commands and God decides what's right and what's wrong. If God's commanding it simply because it's good, there's something more powerful than God that's telling him that this is right or wrong. We tend to think that God is all-powerful and all-knowing, so to say that there's something bigger than God that decides what's right or wrong is counter to that belief. Either of these answers seem unsatisfactory if we're divine command theorists, and while a lot of people have answered the Euthyphro Dilemma by saying it's just a philosopher's trick, it does pose some serious questions that we have to consider if we're trying to ground divine command theory in reason and logic.